Michael Emerah University, founded in the year 2015, is a good place for every student that wants to excel. Why am I saying that? We have boarding facilities for as many students that want to be in the boarding house, the hostel. The hostel is well equipped. We have water, we have light, and we have internet services for students on campus. We have a very serene environment. The community is peaceful, and we have well-trained staff, both academic and non-academic, who mentor these students to maturity. We have various support systems. We have the Emerah clinic, where we treat our students because they have health challenges. We also have the counseling unit, where students take advice from the counselor, both on their academic and other social issues. Spiritually, we have our morning and evening devotions, where the Word of God is preached to them, so that we can mold them to become better people tomorrow. Now, we also have the opportunity to train them on leadership. We have the Student Representative Council, where students have the opportunity to engage in leadership roles, like we have secretaries and other executives. Even at the faculty level, we have associations, faculty associations, where these children have the opportunity to engage themselves in minor elections, and when they win, they take up roles as leaders. Now, in the area of discipline, we have zero tolerance for exam malpractice, for instance. We have a committee, exam malpractice committee, where we try offenders. Some are suspended, some are rusticated, and things like that. And the area of cultism, we have zero tolerance for cultism. There has been no report of cultism in this university since 2015. So if you have your kids and you wanted to be in a place where you have peace of mind, MCIU is the place.
Admission for the 2025-2026 academic session for undergraduate and postgraduate studies at Michael and Cecilia Emerah University, MCIU, located at Emerah Village, Agbara Oto, Ughelli North Local Government Area, Delta State, has commenced. For more information, visit www.mciu.edu.ng and click Apply now. Call 0802-338-5488 or 0806-758-9771. Michael and Cecilia Emerah University, on a quest for excellence in a changing world. Signed, Dr. T. N. Registrar.